How to fix Android random notification sound. So if you have any random notification going on in your Android devices, here's how you're fixing it. You're going to come over to your system settings, and once you're in your system settings, over here, you're going to find the notification icon, okay? And inside of the notification icon, what you can easily and simply do is just go over to the settings and change it up. And it depends on you on how you want to go ahead and change the notification sound. And each phone, it is quite different. In Samsung, it's going to be different. Huawei, it's going to be different. HTC, it's going to be even more different. So, of course, it will depend on you on how you appropriately change it, but changing it for yourself is the most simplest way. And you can change whatever sound you want. That depends on you, but all is done through the settings. So change it up, and that is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.